Phrase means something that is usually neglected in writing literary theory. The paper tries to figure out what happens to the notion of textual whole or the literary work if it can appropriate and mix text not yet published, cannot be read in its entirety, if only a few of its signifiers can or will be shared by all its readers. There's no clear termination point to its metamorphosis, and it sets conditions and constraints to its reading process ranging from temporal limitations to personal and personalized perspectives. Perhaps something has to change, but what exactly and how and why? And this is a part of a large-scale project which started with my PhD dissertation, and it's getting remolded to a cybertext poetics that is published by Continuum next year. And the whole point is that for the last century or so, literary theory is either implicitly or explicitly being tied to the materiality of book, and the theories are not generally valid. They are valid only in the print medium. And although many scholars have realized that for decades, there are no comprehensive unifying theories trying to rewrite poetics from a perspective of all media and all media positions. And those examples in this abstract, they imply changes in the theories of intertextuality, in genre theory, in theories of narrative, in theories of reception, and so on. So that's the whole project, and this is just a tiny part of reading our imagination from this conceptual entity called the textual whole, which is basically an image of book in its behavioral, perceptual, structural, causal, spatial, and temporal dimensions.